Hello everyone, this is Deepika, your trainer. Welcome back to NIL. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is uses of wood. I have observed many times students get confused in this topic, which is wood. They don't know what is the Hindi ending of it or where to use this topic. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's see what is wood and where to use it. Well, when we talk about wood, it is a model. And what are models? Some words which are based on situations. So we are going to talk about all the situations where we can use wood. The very first situation is polite request. जब आप किसी से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कोई काम करने के लिए, there we can use would. For example, would you please shut the door? Would you please pass the water bottle? Would you please send the details? Would you please turn on the AC? So when you are requesting, we use would. Second situation is would like to. When you say मैं ऐसा करना चाहूंगा, चाहूंगी और चाहेंगे. So in this situation we use would like to. For example, I would like to break the ice. I would like to speak on education. I would like to watch a movie today. So whenever you are expressing कि आप ये करना चाहेंगे, there we use would like to. Third situation where we use would is past of will. जब भी हम पास्ट में कोई सिचुएशन एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं जिसकी हिंदी एंडिंग गा गी गे से हो रही है, सो वहां पर विल ना यूज करके वी यूज वुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे पापा ने कहा था मुझे घर छोड़ेंगे. नाउ हियर पापा ने कहा था, हाफ सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट एंड अनदर हाफ इज इन फ्यूचर. सो मुझे घर छोड़ेंगे, यहाँ पर विल ना यूज करके वी विल यूज वुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे पापा ने कहा था मुझे घर छोड़ेंगे. माई फादर सेड ही वुड ड्रॉप मी होम. We decided to learn English. अब जब हम कह रहे हैं कि हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम इंग्लिश सीखेंगे, so there also you can use would. We decided that we would learn English. उसने कहा था मेरी हेल्प करेगा. He said he would help me. So that was a situation where we are talking about past of will. Moving to the fourth situation, which is would be. मंगेतर तो सुना ही होगा. मंगेतर की इंग्लिश क्या होती है? फियांसे. Now instead of fiance, you can also say would be. For example, he is my would be or she is my would be. If you have to say वो मेरी होने वाली सास है, so वहां आप बोल सकते हो she is my would be mother-in-law. So would be is used for future relations. Let's move to the fifth situation. That is all about for offering food. Whenever you offer food to someone, there also you can say would. For example, आप क्या खाएंगे? What would you like to have? Now instead of like to have, you can also say care for. What would you care for? If you are offering any particular food item, so you can say, would you like to have tea? Or would you care for tea? Would you like to have juice? Would you care for juice? So in all these situations, when you are offering food to someone, so there also you use would. Moving on to the sixth situation, that is for making wishes. जब भी हम wishes करते हैं, काश ऐसा हो जाए, तो वहां पर भी would का यूज होता है. And our wishes are in two forms. One is action, other is non-action. एक तरह की wishes में हमारी verbs आती है और दूसरी तरह में verbs नहीं आती है. So let's talk about action. When you say काश मुझे job मिल जाए, तो यहाँ पर job मिलना action हो रहा है. So in such sentences we are using the pattern काश मुझे जॉब मिल जाए, I wish, subject, would plus first form and other words. For example, काश मुझे जॉब मिल जाए, I wish I would get a job. काश उसे इंक्रीमेंट मिल जाए, I wish he would get increment. काश बारिश हो जाए, I wish it would rain. Let's talk about non-action sentences in making wishes. In non-action pattern goes would that subject word dash. For example, काश मैं अमीर होता, would that I were rich. काश तुम इंटेलिजेंट होते, would that you were intelligent. काश हम ईमानदार होते, would that we were honest. So when you are talking about non-action, चाहे आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल, with all the subjects we are going to use were. Moving on to the last situation for preferences. As wishes, preferences में भी action और non-action दोनों आएंगे. If I talk about action, मैं इसकी जगह ये करूंगा. So there we say I would rather first form of verb than first form of verb. For example, मैं बोलने की जगह लिखूंगा, I would rather write than speak. मैं गाना गाने की जगह डांस करूंगा, I would rather dance than sing. Here we are talking about action. Now if I talk about non-action, there we use prefer to. For example, I would prefer dash to dash. Let's take some examples. I would prefer tea to coffee. मैं चाय की जगह कॉफी प्रेफर करूंगा. मैं पेंसिल की जगह पेन प्रेफर करूंगा. I would prefer pen to pencil. जो भी आपको प्रेफर करना है वो आपके फर्स्ट प्लैंक में आएगा और सेकंड वाले में जो आपको नहीं लेना. So these were some situations where we use would. I hope now your all doubts are clear. So see you in the next video with some more interesting topics.